So I am going to show you how I get things onto my computer from Playscore. So the first thing is I have to actually have the file on my phone. So I use Drive. So what I go to is I find the PDF of the music I want to work with. So there it is. And I'm just going to download it to my phone. So that's step one. So saving it to my files. And save. We're going to replace that. And then I can just close that up. Now it's on my phone. I'm going to pop over to the app. Oops, I've got so many apps. This way. Playscore 2. And this button here with the, looks like a piece of paper with the arrow down. I can find it, and there are my things. So there's my music. And I'm going to take a look at it because notice at measure 18 there's an extended rest. So I'm going to want to pay attention to that because it legitimately isn't going to necessarily transfer that up. That's the one thing. Do a bit of a playthrough. Looks like it's going good. So now I'm going to take it up and I'm going to share the document to my computer. I'm going to share it as musicXML. I'm going to airdrop it. And it's going to go to my computer. All right, so I have shared my file. That's an XLM file to my desktop. I've got it sitting over here. So all I need to do now is log into Flat. Oops, dot. And I'm going to create a new score, but I'm not going to do a brand new score. I'm going to import. And then I can find my XML file and I just open it. And so it's loading over here. When it's opened, it's got a weird thing titled the whole bit. So I want to look through. Looks like there's something weird going on with the rhythm here. So I might have to make a couple of adjustments later. Please note that it does not put in the extended rest. And there's a 4-measure extended rest somewhere in here. So I am going to have to come back. But just for the sake of showing you how this all works. Oops, that's not how it all works. So if you want to make any changes, you need to make sure you're in the mode to edit. And then you can click on the title. And now I can give it a real title. So I'm going to call it Jester's Gallop Practice, because then I'll know this is the one I was messing around with. Also under here, we have different instruments. So if I know what instrument I'm transposing it to, like for example, if I want to tab this out for guitar, this is where I would do that. But today we're changing note heads. So it's under Layouts and Styles. We go down to note heads. And there's two things we can change about it. We can change the color and we can change the shape. Now, I'm going to pick Boom Whacker Colors and hit back. You need to hit save and then done. There you go. It's done. Now, if I want to be really fancy, I can go to text, and pick the lyrics one, and then I can write the note name underneath. It'll be flat. Oh. When you hit tab or space bar, it takes it to the next one. Right, so it's that simple. Then when it's time to share it with my student, I'm going to just make a printable PDF. Ta-da! It's pretty, it's in color, it's done. It took me less than 5 minutes.